chair. I've got sawdust everywhere. She's got meetings on a screen. I'm 40 feet up in a tree. She says, baby, be careful today. I say, that's not really how we get paid. Then I grab my ropes and go where normal people won't go. I'm an arborist, that's what I do. Climbing giant trees in work boots, chainsaw singing, chips flying high, probably breaking usher rules tonight. I'm an arborist, dirty and proud, hanging above the crowd. If you're looking for me after work, check the truck with the cooler first. Customer says, be careful, son, then asks if I'll be done by 1. Man, this oak's 300 years old. It ain't exactly under control. My buddy yells, watch that limb. I yell back, I was watching him. Then we laugh like idiots all day. That's just the arborist way. Sunburned neck, busted gloves, bad decisions, a job we love.